Hi, welcome to my tutorial on how to multiply and divide fractions. We've got three here for you to do, two multiplications and one division. Example 1 then. We've got to multiply these two fractions together. What I'd like to do first of all is see if there's any cancelling down we can do to our fractions. This is called cross cancelling. If we have a look, we've got 8 and 4. Is there a factor of both of those, a common factor of 8 and 4? Well, yes, there is, because 4 is a common factor. I know that 4 goes into 4 once, and it goes into 8 twice. I could do the same in the opposite direction. 2 is a common factor of 2 and 6, and 2 goes into 2 once, and into 6 3 times. I've now made my fraction a lot simpler. All I now need to do is multiply the top, 1 times 1 gives me 1, and multiply the bottom, 2 times 3 gives me 6. This is already in its lowest terms, so there's no simplifying to do. Example 2. We've got a mixed number. We first of all need to turn this into an improper fraction. And basically what I'm trying to do is say, how many thirds are there in 1 1/3? The way I do this, I do 1 times 3, add the 1. 1 times 3 is 3, add the 1 is 4, and I write that over the original denominator. Do the same with the second one. 5 times 5 is 25, add the 2 gives me 27, and I write that over the original denominator. Now if you see, I can also do some cross cancelling here, because 3 is a common factor of 3 and 27. 3 goes into 3 once, and 3 goes into 27 9 times. I can't cross cancel the other way, but I can now just multiply the top. 4 times 9 gives me 36, and 1 times 5 gives me 5. Now I've got my answer as an improper fraction. To turn that back into a mixed number is very simple. We just say how many 5s go into 36. I know that 7 5s go into 36, and there's 1 left over, and I write the remainder over the original denominator. Okay, EG3, we've now got a division. With division, the best way to do it is to change the divide into a times and then invert the second fraction. What this does is basically we're doing the opposite, divide and multiply, and the opposite to 1 over 12, turn it upside down, creates the opposite to that, and the two opposites basically cancel each other out. So the question becomes, it's the same question. So if we change the divide to a times and turn the second fraction upside down, I can now just do it exactly as I did before when I was multiplying. Look for any cross cancelling that can be done. If we have a look this way, 3 is a common factor of 9 and 12. 3 goes into 9 3 times, and 3 goes into 12 4 times. 3 times 4 is going to give me 12, and 3 times 1 is going to give me 3. 12 divided by 3 gives me my answer. I'll just put this down here, of 4.